Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with the vowel team OW. OW can make two sounds. It can say ow, as in owl, or it can say O, as in snow. Today, most of our words in our word bank are going to be saying ow. So let's go ahead and find the vowel team in each word of our word bank. We're not going to color the whole word. We're just coloring the vowel team. OW says ow. The first word is k, ow, d. My next word is down. D, ow, down. Then we have frown. F, ow, Our next word is gown. G, ow, A gown is like a fancy dress. Our next word is growl. Growl. G, owl. Then we have the word how. H, ow. How. Then we have now. Ow. Now. And our last word is owl. Owl. Now that we have found the vowel team in each word in our word bank, we are going to put our words in our word bank into our word shapes. I can see that my first box has one tall letter and then two short letters, and there's 3 letters all together. So I know the word how is going to go in that first word shape box. H, ow. O-W says ow. My next word has 3 boxes, and they are all short boxes. So I know there's not going to be any tall letters or basement letters. The word is now. Ow. O-W says ow. The last one we'll do together is the word, it has 3 letters, 2 short and 1 tall letter. So I'm going to look at my word bank, and I know that's going to be the word owl. O-W says ow with an ul at the end. Owl. All right, my friends, you're on your own for the rest of this page. You're going to do great. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Our directions today say, trace your spelling words below using the tool at the top of each column. So first we're going to use a pencil, then a crayon, and last will be a marker. Our first word is the word brown, the color brown. B-ow. B-ow. Brown. And boys and girls, I want you to underline the vowel team today. Then with our crayon, please write brown again. B-ow. Again, please underline the vowel team. And last, we're going to write in marker. B-ow. Brown. Underlining the vowel team that says ow. OW can also say O, like in the word snow. Please finger stretch snow. S-n-o. S-n-o. And please make sure to underline the vowel team because OW can also say O. Then with our crayon, we'll write it again. S-n-o. And with marker, S-n-o. Snow. Our next word is the word down. D-ow-n. D-ow-n. Down. Please underline the vowel team OW that says ow. Please write in crayon and marker. Pause the video. Our next word is show. Sh-o. Show. I know that the consonant digraph SH says shh. And OW says O. Show. Remember, OW can say ow, and OW can also say O. Please pause the video and write show with crayon and marker. Our next word is owl. 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 OW says ow with ol at the end. Owl. Please underline the vowel team. Pause the video, write with crayon and marker. Our next word is grow. G-r-o. G-r-o. O-W says O. Please pause the video and write grow 2 more times. Our next word is crown. K-r-ow-n. Crown. K-r-ow-n. Crown. Please underline the vowel team OW. OW can say ow. Pause the video and write crown 2 more times. Our next word is throw. Th-r-o. Throw. We have our consonant digraph TH. O. OW can say O. Please pause the video and write throw 2 more times. Our next word is now. N-ow. Now. N-ow. Now. Please pause the video and write now 2 more times. And our last word is no. N-o. Boys and girls with no, there's a silent letter at the beginning. We have a silent K. N-o. No. Please pause and write no 2 more times, but please remember that silent K. When you're done, turn it into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.